guys! I'm Reagan.
And I'm Dana.
And today we are going to be sharing with you 5 tips
on how to get over your ex.
So don't forget to like this video,
comment on this video,
and subscribe to become a unicorn! Tip 1.
Better yourself.
These can be things like exercising, reading, listening to music, whatever makes you better.
And don't think that you have to change yourself, because you don't. You're perfect just the way you are.
Tip 2.
Clean your room.
This just helps you get a really easy and
fresh start.
Like an open mindset to things. Everything's clean around you. Everything's fresh.
New.
And it just is like a happy and bright place
like
to be. A breath of fresh air, honestly.
Yes, that's the word I was looking for.
And when you're cleaning your room, it really helps, honestly, to put on music that you like and music that makes you happy. Open your window if you have a window. Also, when you clean your room, you can rearrange it to get like a totally fresh start, and that really helps.
Tip 3.
Hang with your friends or your family. They honestly know the most about you, and they're always going to be there for you, especially your family. And if you let them know what you're going through, most of the time they will be there for you, and they usually want the best for you.
Tip 4. Treat yourself. Get some ice cream.
Yes.
Eat.
Yes, honestly, eating and like stuff like that and like going out, it really helps. If you get your nails done, it's going to make you feel a lot more confident. If you get your hair done, it's going to make you feel a lot more confident. A facial, help you feel
just mainly stuff to get your mind off of it.
And to like help you feel more confident, because honestly, during breakups, I feel like everyone kind of feels like the worst version of themselves and like that they're not worthy, which you totally are. So yeah.
Echo. Play Treat Yourself by Piper Raquel.
Step 5. Find a hobby.
Just mainly stuff, again, to distract you from it. Do stuff you like. Paint, draw, read, write, do an activity you like to do. Just stuff that makes you feel happy, feel good, and take your mind off of everything.
Yes, and if you're doing something that reminds you of your ex, drop that. Maybe come back to it when you're over it and you know that you're better than your ex.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Little disclaimer, we have never had a boyfriend, so let us know if these work.
Yeah, comment down below if you've ever gone through a breakup and which one of these tips worked the best for you to help out the other people watching these videos and going through breakups. And yeah, our Instagram and Snapchats will be down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!